cooking in my Saladmaster today. I did cook like a couple times before, but I wanted to do a test run. So today I'm gonna fry 3 of these drumsticks, and then I'm just gonna set it at 350. I'm just playing with it yet. I'm still learning about this one. So I just sprayed some olive oil on there. Oop. Just like this, spray that. You don't need too much oil to fry your chicken in here, and it'll fry it good. So I did it at 350. I'm gonna let it sit in here for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it over, and I'll be right back, guys. Close my window, and I see this guy here. Look, he looks like his top of his back is skinned. I'm just gonna let him stay there. I don't know if he's alive or dead. Maybe he's resting. I don't know what's going on, but we'll leave him there for now. Flip it over. Sorry. So it looks like yeah, it's already cooking really fast. Maybe I'm gonna turn it down because I don't know what the temperature is supposed to be yet. You see that? Let's turn it down to 300 because I think that might be too much. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn it down to 300 so it can cook. I don't know how to use it yet, so we're just still learning together, okay? But you see that? It's good. I am so hungry. Yeah, still waiting for that. So I'm gonna go and mix my sweet kale chopped kit salad. That it is done. So it took like a half an hour, and then I'm gonna go and eat now. I'll show you guys my plate in a bit. Hey guys, this will be my lunch for today, and I'm gonna go and eat now. I'm really hungry. Okay, I'll check you guys out later. This will be a really short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.